Hello guys, here we are on the 6 and 7 tips of how to raise our self-esteem. The tip 6 of how to raise our self-esteem is to start reading a positive and motivational books. It is not only on the books guys, because nowadays I know most of you are not reading the books because may internet na tayo, may data tayo na ginagamit, so we can always take a look in our phone. Use that website that it can help us to boost our self-esteem. So guys, nandyan yan, try mo to find out. And then, hindi lang yun babasahin. We need to apply it to ourselves. Remember this guys, when you start listening to a positive people, you are becoming like those people. Doon tayo dapat sa mga tao na alam natin na makakatulong sa atin to think positively. There, when I travel on the bus, I have a book with me. So, I try my best to learn something from it. Kasi guys, my time for myself is very limited. So, kailangan ko talaga guys na mag-adjust. At the same time, kailangan ko rin i-balance ang lahat ng mga bagay. Kaya, no matter how hectic is our day, we need to find the way how to give a simple time for ourselves. The 7 tips is learn some new words. Kung nakasanayan mo na nagsasalita ka ng bara-bara dyan or salitang kanto, naku guys, I think it's time for you to learn something new. Hindi lang naman sa mga pananalita eh. Kagaya niyan, sabi nga nila, we can always make over. How do you look at this moment? And that look is really looks like a miserable person. I think you can do something about something to change, to replace, just to look at yourself better than before. Negative na nga yung mga pinagdadaanan natin, negative pang nalabas sa bibig natin. I don't think so guys, that is very helpful. Kung yung mga negative na makikita or negative na maririnig sa atin ng mga anak natin, talaga guys naman, napakapangit naman din yon. So I think we need to learn something different naman. When I was working in overseas, my bosses always praised me that, oh, you know what, I'm so glad that you always learn something new. Hindi ko talaga maintindihan kung ano yun. Pero later on, when I learned to study for what am I doing every day, then I learned that, like, oh my gosh, really, I learn always a new thing. You know, guys, dahil doon sa acne na yun, it's really bring me down. My self-esteem is almost gone for good. Kasi nga, nagkaroon ako ng terrible na acne in my whole face. Na talaga guys, nawala yung self-confidence ko and self-esteem ko na humarap sa mga tao kasi, oh my God, ang pangit na ng mukha ko. I learned something how to cure it, and then guys, I achieve. Diba? So yun na, unti-unti na na-boost ko, unti-unti na rin bumabalik ang aking self-confidence, and of course, nag-grow din ang aking self-esteem. Thank you. Have a good day.